PMBOK covers three types of roles of project manager: at the project level, organization level, and at the industry level. Let's discuss the role of the project manager in the same sequence. For his role in a project, the project manager spends most of his time on communication because he is responsible for the coordination within the project since he aims to achieve the project goals. It is better for him to get involved in the project as early as possible. He may be asked to involve in the project from the initiation or before the initiation. He works until the end of the project. He may continue to work after the completion of the project. In such cases, he works like an advisor on the ongoing or future similar projects of the organization. It is better if the project manager involved during the creation of the project charter, although it is not the project manager's responsibility to create the project charter. He only helps to create it. If there is a problem, the project manager tries to solve it, but he spends most of his time to prevent the problems. Therefore, a project manager is proactive. He develops his team, and while doing that, he uses his leadership skills. He develops rewards and recognition mechanisms while managing and controlling the resources. He leads his team to create the budget and the schedule of the project. He determines the relationship between the activities, analyzes and develops the cost and time reserves, and determines the project constraints. He monitors and controls the budget and the schedule of the project. He deals with the change request and most of the time manages the change control board. After completing the project, he closes the project. He is responsible for the project. He needs to be honest and ethical. He needs to be a leader, but he may not be a technical expert. The project manager leads the project team to meet the project objectives and stakeholders' expectations. The project manager works to balance the competing constraints on the project with the resources available. The project manager also performs communication roles between the project sponsor, team members, and other stakeholders. This includes providing direction and presenting the vision of success for the project. The project manager uses soft skills, that is, interpersonal skills and the ability to manage people, to balance the conflicting and competing demands and goals of the project stakeholders in order to achieve consensus. In this context, consensus means that the relevant stakeholders support the project decisions and actions even when there is not 100% agreement. At the organization level, the project manager proactively interacts with other project managers, other independent projects, and projects that are part of the same program. His responsibilities, although not exhaustive, are demands on the same resources, priorities of funding, receipt or distribution of deliverables, and alignment of project goals and objectives with those of the organization. Interacting with other project managers helps to create a positive influence for fulfilling the various needs of the project. These needs may be in the form of human, technical, or financial resources and deliverables required by the team for project completion. The project manager seeks ways to develop relationships that assist the team in achieving the goals and objectives of the project. At an industry level, the project manager stays informed about current industry trends. The project manager takes this information and sees how it may impact or apply to the current projects. These trends include but are not limited to product and technology development, new and changing market niches, standards like project management, quality management, information security management, technical support tools, economic forces that impact the immediate project, influences affecting the project management discipline, and process improvement and sustainability strategies. See you in the next lecture.